Hi guys, so this week, yay, I reached 300 subscribers. I'm so excited. I wasn't going to have a giveaway until 500 subscribers, but I was way too excited. So I thought what I might do to make it a bit of fun is have a few little giveaway games on my journey to 400. So I think I'm at 340 subbies or something like that at the moment, and I know to a lot of people that's not a lot of subbies, but I honestly didn't think I would get 10 subbies, let alone 340. So I'm like super thankful for everyone's support. You've all been so wonderful, and I haven't had a mean comment yet in on my YouTube videos. I know sooner or later I'll get one, but I'm so thankful. Everyone has been so nice and supportive and encouraging. So recently in our Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, we had some games when we got to 600. I think it was 600. I may be wrong, but something like that. When we got to 600 members, and it was a whole lot of fun that week. So I thought I would have some little games as well to make it a bit more fun, rather than just do a giveaway where whoever comments wins, la la la. That's a little bit too boring. So I coffee dyed some papers this morning, and I did about 3 boxes of these little guys. And I was going to put some in my Etsy shop because these are little coffee dyed candy bags. My sister came across a few boxes of these and gave them to me. And I've been giving them out. I make little, little extras when I send out orders from my Etsy shop, or I put things in them like stamps or buttons or whatever. I use them for journals as well. I put them in racks and Happy Mail or whatever. They're so cute and they're so handy. Handy candy. Okay, that was not intended. Anyway, I coffee dyed a bunch of these this morning to put into my little Etsy shop because people keep asking, can I buy them? But I didn't have them in my shop because I just usually use them myself. But I'll pop some into my shop, and I'll do that later this afternoon because I need to go out this morning. But what I thought I might do is, on my road from 300 to 400 subscribers, we'll have a few little giveaway games. And the first one, I'm going to give away a little pack of 10 coffee dyed candy bags. And we'll have a little guessing game. So first one to guess exactly how many little coffee dyed candy bags are in this box. And just so you can get a sense of size, this is a Kleenex tissue box. Yeah. Okay, I'm assuming they're the same size everywhere. I don't know, but this is the big box. Anyway, I think they're all the same length. So, first person to guess exactly how many are in here, put it in the comment box below, will win a little free 10-pack of coffee dyed candy bags. Open worldwide, wherever you are, that's okay. They don't, postage for some paper stuff isn't that much. So, pop it in the comments box below. And, oh, wait, we need some rules. Because I don't want someone, going and guessing 1 to, 200 or something. 200 guesses. Let's say each person has a maximum of 10? Yeah, that's enough. You get 10 guesses and then you have to bow out and leave it to someone else. Okay, so you can have 10 guesses Don't go guessing all in one hit. Wait until you see if someone guesses at a number and you go, you know, higher or lower. But 10 guesses, and you have to be a subscriber, because I do like to just reward subscribers, well, I guess, for putting up with my really bad videos. Anyway, that's it. So there's a little box. Look how delicious they are. Oh, and you can see on the end I've burnt some. That's my cooking skills. I not only burn cakes, I burn paper. Look at that. But they're still so delicious. Look at that. I don't normally put them in the oven, but it's been raining here all week. I like to sun dry things, you know, because I'm such a greenie. But I do like when you bake these, the crunchy, delicious sounds they make. You know, that sound we all seem to love. And look, can you hear that? That's Clive in the background trying to jump on my back. Anyway, have a guess. You get 10 guesses. First one is going to get a little free bag. 10 little bags. Coffee dyed candy bags. They're kind of cute. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.